Make over $300 per day on Instagram with this easy DM method. Step 1, have an account with Instagram. Step 2, have a Gumroad account and promote these top offers of mine. Link is in the description. The Money Accelerator, the Money Generator, recurring 50% commissions. Step 3 is copy and paste messages to people you already know. A good example of easy messages to copy and paste is saying, hey, what's up? Check out this offer. I purchased this offer. It's giving a lot of value to my life. It's teaching me how to make money. If you want to learn how to make a lot of money online too, this has worked for me. This is working for a lot of people. You could do it too. And then you send them the link and then you just copy paste this message to a bunch of people. And then a percentage of people is going to buy through your link and you're going to make money. Now, step 4 is after you've messaged people you already know, then you can start copy and pasting messages to people who are just interested in making money overall, entrepreneurship, quotes, people who are interested in business, people who are interested in money making overall. And you can find all of these different relevant Instagram pages and then you can start messaging the active people who are liking people's posts inside of these pages. Now, step 5 is make sure you improve your Instagram and put your affiliate links in your bio as well. And your Instagram only needs to have like freaking 3 images or videos or at least up to 9 total, okay? And make them the best they can be. Make them inspiring, motivational, lifestyle, everything like that. Make them giving value. You can find content of mine to use if you want to do that, or you can do any other niche out there and use this method of DMing people and having conversations with people, and you can literally just start crushing it, just having conversations with people every day, promoting these really good offers to people that you find. And then step 6 is if you upload posts of you giving value or me giving value or someone giving value, and then recommending the offers of what you're promoting, then you're going to start getting sales as well from that because people will look at your content. And you want to have at least a few pieces of content that's giving value and pitching the offers to people so they're aware of the offers. Step 7 is keep DMing people consistently and you will get sales. Let's go.